This is itel 2160. It cannot on. It is having a problem called short again. It is short. You hear? It's breached. It's breached. And we were able to trace the fault. When the device is in this mode, it cannot on because the positive side of the battery terminal is not actually accepting voltage. Like this two probe here, you see, is breached. It's breached and it's breached. So which means the device cannot on, and if you put in battery, it will shut it down. So according to my tracing, I am done with the tracing already. So I think I'll make the work easier for me. The fault was this particular diode here. It is, sorry, not diode. This is capacitor. This should be capacitor. It has breached and it gave current to this side of the battery terminal, which is the positive. The current moves from here, you see, before it was able to be here, and the capacitor has breached everything. So I think I'm removing it to confirm if what we are doing is okay. So now I'll check with my meter. It's reading well now. It is normal now. So which means this itel 2163 we on. Okay. No, what are they come now? Are they come? I don't know battle. I don't know everything. No, because my problem go to you. I don't know my name go half. That worry. No problem. Hello. Oh yeah, the Jaguar free. So that is it. The phone is working now. As you can see, I went direct and removed the capacitor that have been short. So now the phone is working now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube videos.